Afenyo markin, a whole minority leader. What's your lawyer ni? Me catch him say Afenyo markin Jimmy boy we. Afenyo markin Jimmy we. Me catch Afenyo markin Jimmy na PK sapon eni abrese me didi Afenyo markin we nipa. Afenyo markin nya chance police ni no hwe na sum. NNDC for cover no. I go time, I go phone, eya moody ntini entimo on mine engina ne nine so on mine no entimi ngina ho. Kwame, no civilized country. Eya parliamentarian bebo police ni asumu a obekop derby. No way. No way. Kwame, 79. In the 80s, in the 90s, no way. And then the politics not Daniel Agudio. They done a friendship. He's my friend. He's my brother. He's my church member. He's my classmate, my schoolmate, my in-law, my brother. Menen neko lodge, menen neko assemblies, menen neko Pentecost, menen neko Roman for. Menen ne kremoni, menen ne sumo mosque, menen ne ko Mecca, menen ne ko Kaaba, menen ne they are Daniel Goodye. Rollins, even his cousins or Panishe Womo go back into archives. Go back into archives. You dare not. Afenyo markin a shoot police in Yasum. Never done one fan kwa judge so. Adibeko. Me say Afenyo and kese den NDC are buying government and kese any party you don't need a party. You don't need a party. And kese and day and the government are releasing full statement. The Attorney General no respect every Ghana for Afenyo Jimmy we. Afenyo Jimmy. Onema ema 7 as 8 and now different. Oko your friend say Winiba omguo nkola no vagabonds omguo Afenyo Jimmy we. Wa vagabonds say 6 or 7 or 8 and omguo no okay no per respect every Ghana for on also want to be respect a judge. On to be respect a court, but on also say a respect a free Ghana for Afenyo Kwasiampeni we. Bodamini bawi we Afenyo bodamini we on no respect every Ghana for on also on no to mean for respect my judge because he disagree with the judge. Tio. Now we have many privileges. Says o kind of somewhere bra parliament ebra babe you are no Afenyo Kwasia we. You can disagree. You can disagree with judgment. That is okay. That is fair. You can disagree. Obian kase se judge ya diena uwo ehwasem kan menka. No. Why? Ade so judge no nyanya mi. What you say? And you say BB Eba, but when you say a party supporter cry the cars, we can ignore the person. Adia Afenya Ayano, unim the implication. The implication is that now any MPP member can walk into a court and attack a judge. And Judge Bia Wotibe Bibiano, MPP Nibet me attack physically. That is the implication. Inciting your party members against the judiciary. Because if you have the minority leader saying this, Kwame, very ignorant MPP member, or who said Judge Binam Nibabia, Onfadem Kobonitrim. Because if you know no cry any leader, Kase, judges no cry who name for very reckless statement. Oya Ndabe Enra no oya Abosai, about 3:41. Almost 4 p.m. NDC government is not saying anything. I know Maka Bibi near Ehuye. Maka Bibi. What say?
I say the otchere
any Facebook and also a Minister Felix Adjuma. Where a Attorney General, a serious matter. The Attorney General must speak on this matter. And Sakura, the Ghana Bar Association, the judiciary, and Sakura, look, even the National Peace Council must speak on this matter. The National Peace Council, the Christian Council, the Islamic Council, they must speak on this matter. This is a direct attack on our constitution. Afenyo fucking boy way, stupid boy way. Krasimia osi ne wenyeska. Ne manu vagabonds no mu gugu Winnie Baho. So you run a court down, run a judge down because you disagree. One is them, they think it's okay. Acquire the other side, but the reason why the other side the says so be affording in Sano. Afenyo ya no. Sabe agra NDC for any empathy for any bedi no money me ni. And sometimes me kwame me kind of crash o. She say me priority pay any je. Me de me asebu see this life is my life and you be ara dia. Hey, I'm life. Because look, sometimes when we are Uncle Besho before sa a very no. Afenyo markin. Now Kwame, and you go or say Kyei Mensa bonsu cry as no about dam no beke kan kwasi asem we. Oda or say Kyei Mensa bonsu na so about dam. Joe Wise. Yana a little friend Joe Fu to Obeka Kasan kwasi asem we. William the anti on best won't mean a chairman no. Boakye Agyarko and answer John Bodu Momu Jimmy say. Oh no. Ti omo person mo tem kwasi afuoku. Ni aso ye bebo omo mo tem kwasi afuoku no. O ye bebo omo. On say omo ayi constituency elections no. On say omo complain send this for doors home dodo. And this for be leadership ama MPP we do to obo. Ye be yi bia mo. So say man pon for MPP for no complaining. Say NDC for no Kofi Asene other places no. Edo so omo abom no mu. Won be hu bibi pa. Kwame. The days of Darota no. Damboche leadership. No. Minority leader. You can't do this. Bawumia will never condemn this. Odo to obehu. Now, unime tactics. Almost almost 2016 the NEB. I no ma at the ginger or party base in say NDC ya omo ne NDC be kom tokwa. So 2016 is na omo ye. And man can say me ankasa na ense da mfa me ho saa because NDC leaders who could do omo achi a say no are careful. Obi NDC leader bi yana de a enko ho dabi enko som otimi ya emi wantimi anya na munyina because uko sonu mu se okoboa no obewie no be mama wo waye nipa boni ni Tróuble party supporters no bia abobo ne nsa gunebo no bia hwe omudin na nka MPP we no ka wo nsum komu yankola so mu giant MPP ni NDC pa kombe hu bibi but this time around no obi amfi enti ombe ye say ya afo because me hunu de ntia me senkade enedai enka president issue statement na vice issue na attorney general issue ka press conference the demo wi and na governance seize ya mu man na ya dey one day ya mu man na dey be na aba na ka time ni nyina but ignore him sana to see o jaton to nya fe jaton nya fe ignore him kwame MPP ade bi omuye bi ono omu ma de kro moye omu start ade bia omu ma de kro moye. They don't do things in vacuum. So when you are dealing with, and that is why Rawlings was able to hold them for 20 years, because Rawlings warrior Asante na onim trick, you know. So he was able to hold them for 20 years. Movie biano as never keep your eyes from them. That's how they behave. And you no more delay and you any. And man nya say, oh yeah bibia. AMP before na suma ko kama no call police station ko yes ade no. Kwame fa me tape we to next time ombema MPP boys attack policemen. Enchekra udi obehu. Ombema MPP they want to put fear into the system. So now they are ready, they are mobilizing. They are ready. They want to put fear. And me who saw weapon in 2016. As at 2015, yebe kunipa MPP for no to be a kontokwa headquarters. No maka issue statement say omo kramponi. Na omo yes. Me 2016 me nante koluma ho e wo fie be kwa MPP pani ba ko no ofre me amache 5 say bobie catcher on microphone ade say ni ne microphone person mo ye me drive koluma fie me catcher and say ade we besi o catcher me say oh bibia ni ho ada no okotamale akoma speech ena me see kwa so na me tu me ka koye. They have started the same thing. Now, to NDC, no. Okay, say Rawlings on nim adia UP tradition said Sitia could be hold for 20 years. For 20 solid years. No krawamumu. Because say only UP ni ya dia. Don't keep your eye off. Always one eye open. Watch them. Your two crowd, watch them. Don't think you got 57%, they got 38. No. They don't care whether ye baby. Omusa very, very dangerous. So Kwame, very dangerous. Afenyo, minority leader. Bawumia on Castle because a plan. The party leadership. No one is national chairman po. Obi an Castle. Omon condemn na government no so share and obi ayedin and obi ahwe Kwame, let me do this job quickly na memfa ya bronye omon kan kire yen na ye yan kire wo skills said you see them so omo no afa no omo bedam to omo kan na ya kire omo said you see that cells ye be kire omo skills ni nyina said you see them. Hey, I'm say abronya yare. Anonso onidi. Mi hu say afia koto. Yire dada. Afia koto. E dia betrai ene se bibi ya abronya de besi be na he de ochere ono so. Enka me kwatra on post na say de ochere. Na am say girl we ma mi nya na sema no. He de ochere. Bibi e de ne bezu o nine way. O na mo yin artificial. Yeah. MPP girls no artificial for mimi nimbi wa America grant me tum free anko spare pass ni nyina be yi agu fom yeah omo greasy spare pass no akotu to bia be shisem awie na ache omo na ho no me afia koto say the besi me say afia sister afia ya jaisara obeya mama vo aba power boni hey abronya dem omani abre MPP. MPP so anya ho abotra ho kwame. Yeah. Well, oyinma boama. Onim so oyinma boama jail no am de ne call 3 months no tape no na nya ne voice o. Na nya oyinma voice. Omo fabricate tape no. And omo de call kobo chere court to say oyinba boama. No omo jailing in 3 months. Ada omo jailing no asa ada no na no omo ache Mensa Thompson. Omo fa Mensa Thompson no. So omo de Mensa Thompson call prison a different prison and omo de me call baby different. Mensa Thompson omo de no call last be police station. Omo de no call no omo yi e ma no nyina free omo cells. And omo de no call to a ma cells baby omo nyi omo period ni ade no. And omo law call e ho no omo de no call to ye. Mensa Thompson. Na Nana B edike akwa try to Facebook. Nana B try to Facebook be around 11. Kwa me hwehwe sa ade ne mame. Nana B okay say ye wie show no an obetro say a police for MPK your friend say Mensa Thompson. Yes. Nana B yet kroma Nana B etimi ma orders. Otimi ma orders. Emma police for ekokochi nipa ekotum Nana B that time so so Fridays ya obia woni Nana B bia no Fridays so ya soldier 46 3 dia to bia 224 no aja 2 ene ne girlfriend wo kamu Nana B we Nana B nipa fon sa ono Nana B no na no me hwe na bi na okasa na koka etimia nantiko police station ma police for warning koka but kwa unim de ntia adze maka de ntia ye nyina obi a ye din no na yenim se eye we versus them ye to aba wie no na NDC for ma ye hunu se NDC for mpani for ma ye hunu se ye nyina nipa baako endi no obia yi nani no endi no obia yi nani no endi no mo ya ndisi for dwoma ama no bibia obia nka hwe na so be catch them me say MPP for so contractors e deserve na me na for contract ne ma me na me so me no akọ 16 years no me dey me deserve ade ya me ni aso me ni akuma edi twadua me ni bibia endi me deserve ono the party ono ne party boa no amana ne ono so anya ye friend say construction equipment also ono deserve me deserve na kwa me America kura ne to aba na say aban ekwa aban fro beba no enkrofo bi no omuso nya so mfa so sani e chechire oman yeah that's how it should be, that's how it is. Nti se yanti na mo obi aye din ya obi ayi nani say de betumu bia entomo because we thought say nanke we against them and a momo ami atia say ye no omo how can Afenyo markin slap a policeman and be walking free today ordinary threats no every police so akwa judges so threatening judges yes because ato as you to abawie ya no mo table ho o guy omo video no ti in the sometimes o to omo na omo no wadwene ho enti sa we nu mo nya dom omo che Kwaku Anyi do ho call police headquarters. That was I think 2022 or so. Young girl ya wodi actually ekoye demonstration police headquarters near born in Nemutu. Say Ghana adane Apache. Born in Nemutu, Nisre Mutu, nice girl. Senyanya me ena babwa no obenya bema, obesia bema na adwiri mu dawa. Or the side way or the fight. But a big crowd so and this we need obiango no. That is the problem. Koka etimia nantiko police station akodidi nkrofo atem free police for atem as ya ba betranse obi anya no hwe because unim ni pakura koka adamfo no nti no waja ne saa now hwe abronya esu se ono yare ready nyankopon hey enti nipa mpp ni kura Kwame jawo ma se ma omo Kwame me ba cho wo your friend say okay, so Henry Nana Boakye, January 10th, 2022. This is a Facebook post. Kwame, uye sa de we ya miawania na efa send me. So Henry Nana Boakye ne Facebook poster in 2022, January 10th, and I'll just take like one or two paragraphs and we move on. Thompson of Asipa must be arrested immediately. Fake news is punishable under Ghanaian law. So this is the content of the write-up. It does appear that Mr. Thompson from Asipa has the penchant of spewing outright lies and false allegations, ostensibly to incite the public and endanger lives. He persists in doing that brazenly because he's always gets away with it, regardless of the magnitude of such evil lies he peddles. On this current issue, he must be subjected to the full rigors of the law to deter him from hiding behind social media to create confusion in the system. We can't look on for him to always peddle brazen and wicked falsehood and later turn around to say, I'm sorry, I apologize for peddling falsehood. There are laws in this country and he must face it squarely. He must be arrested immediately. Section 76, Electronic Communication Act 2008, Act 775. All right, 2008. Me pacho Miss Nana president. 2008 MPP for and they enacted this law. Henry Nana Boakye, Henry Nana Boakye. Etro or yes, I post we. Henry Nana Boakye yes, I post we. Any beye 15 minutes. Any it is Kwaku Mensa Thompson. Henry Nana Boakye. And Henry Nana Boakye say obi ekasa or say the NBC for a day. Almost as time for a free speech. Also almost as time for a free speech. Really? Na me yase Henry Nana Boakye kan ne corner yiri mu bawe say preko ba afi na ya de na ba fie foforo na nam so no ka mo saso tro ka se bom sumpa wo kromu a wa fam ho adi and these leaders ama mo fam ho adi na mo kan kwase asem ka se mo nki ya sheda boom wo street mu pa heavy nipa MPP ni kesi e da bu omo pa bu omo ma wo Nana Boakye wo treye say ye wo mra e titiri obi efri so betra social media kekan kwase asem Edru so dia o se da bi sa mra no Owusu Bawumia media nya yie because wo Nana Boakye wo hufin akwa ni na nkumas no nante otibantema no nante free e ho no waba mi show e wo Hello FM satani e bi Hello FM wo adun foforo we Nana Boakye we si wa nipa no kan kwase asem se die besi me o muntinu na Kwame me ma radio sun because mempem